So the mandibular premolars are single-rooted teeth. However, the buccal bone gets quite thick in the mandibular molar region. So therefore, it's important that when you extract the mandibular premolars, you must rotate and avoid sudden buccal movement, because there is a very high risk that the premolars will fracture if you try to move them buccally. So we'll just look at the extraction of the mandibular left second premolar. The process is the same for the first premolar. So apply the forceps buccolingually, apical pressure, and then you do mesiodistal rotation. Maintaining the apical pressure, you do mesiodistal rotation until the tooth becomes sufficiently loose. So mesiodistal rotation, and once the tooth is sufficiently loose, so this is rotation, and then once the tooth is like grade 3 mobile, you can withdraw it, deliver it bucco-occlusally. Okay, check the roots, and rest of the procedure is the same as for any other tooth. And finally, we shall look at the mandibular molars. The process is the same for the right and the left side. On this occasion, we will look at extraction of the mandibular left first molar, which is the 3-6. So we'll use the mandibular molar forceps, and we shall apply the forceps buccolingually. Make sure you are on the right tooth. Okay. So use your non-dominant hand, apical pressure, and then it's buccal and lingual displacement of the tooth. So buccal, lingual, buccal, lingual. You can also do a bit of figure of 8, but it's difficult to demonstrate on these models because when you do figure of 8, the tooth pops out. So just carry out buccal and lingual displacement, and once the tooth is sufficiently loose, you can withdraw the tooth in a bucco-occlusal direction. Okay, check the roots. You should be able to see the mesial and the distal roots. Check the socket, and the rest of the procedure is the same.